Hello, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Peloton Bike, a product that's revolutionizing home workouts. If you're considering adding a high-quality exercise bike to your home gym, this review will give you all the insights you need. And don't forget, for a hassle-free purchase experience, you can find this bike through our Amazon affiliate link in the video description. One of the standout advantages of buying this bike through Amazon is the delivery and setup experience. Customers have praised the fast, next-day delivery option, which is a significant improvement over the longer wait times when ordering directly from Peloton. The professional delivery service includes assembly in your chosen room, ensuring a smooth and convenient setup process. Performance-wise, the Peloton Bike doesn't disappoint. It offers a smooth, stable ride, and users have found the configuration process to be straightforward, especially with helpful online tutorials. The quality of the bike's build is consistently praised, providing a sturdy and reliable workout experience. The integration with fitness apps like Swift adds to its appeal, offering a diverse range of workout options. Versatility is another key highlight. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cyclist, the bike caters to all levels. It's particularly appreciated by those looking for a total workout solution, with its array of classes and tracking features. The Peloton app, which requires a separate subscription, extends the bike's capabilities, offering classes in yoga, meditation, and more. However, it's important to consider potential downsides. Some users have reported issues such as a defective unit on delivery, and the refund process can take time. Additionally, the bike saddle and pedal system might not suit everyone, and you may need to invest in compatible cycling shoes and potentially a more comfortable saddle. In conclusion, the Peloton Bike is a worthy investment for those looking to enhance their fitness regimen from the comfort of their home. It combines high-quality construction with versatile workout options, making it a favorite among home fitness enthusiasts. Ready to take your home workouts to the next level? Check out the Peloton Bike on Amazon via our affiliate link in the video description and start your journey to a fitter you today.